Leading local tonight in our top story, whooping cough cases are mounting up here in the state. Those with the North Dakota Health and Human Services say the illness typically peaks every 5 to 10 years, and that whooping cough is spread through coughing and respiratory droplets.
So far, there have been 73 cases reported of whooping cough in North Dakota. In perspective, there were 17 cases last year. Health spokespeople say kids going to childcare, middle schools, and students who attend sporting events are at risk of spreading or catching the disease. So far, the biggest age group coming down with whooping cough are kids between 10 and 17 years old. The second largest age group is kids who are between 1 and 4 years old. Health spokespeople say that doesn't have to be a gloomy outlook. They say there are methods you can use to protect your kids.
One thing that we do to prevent illness in those really young kids, so literally newborns, is we actually vaccinate individuals that are in their third trimester of pregnancy. So expectant mothers that are soon to give birth in like the next month or so should get a Tdap booster, and that's so that it boosts their antibodies, and then they give those antibodies to their baby before baby is born.
Pinnock also says this is a peak year for North Dakota and that it was a slow summer, so whooping cough cases went up as school resumed. Health spokespeople say whooping cough is contagious and can be passed on for several weeks. Some symptoms can include a runny nose or stuffy nose, low-grade fever, mild or occasional coughing, and struggling to breathe.